Holly Clayson. I am a graduate of Conestoga College woodworking and architectural program. I was led to Conestoga because I knew I wanted to do woodworking. My dad was my inspiration for that, and I know that Conestoga is the woodworking center of Ontario and has the largest woodworking facility in North America, so it was a for sure given that I was going to Conestoga. After graduation, I was fortunate enough to be hired through one of my previous co-op employments. I worked there for about a year and decided afterwards to find an employment closer to home. So I worked for a couple places after that, learning all about estimating for residential and commercial, commercial drafting, for shop drawings, as well as custom kitchen design, but it ultimately led me to self-employment. So I have my own business, Hollywood Drafting and Design, and I provide customers with freelance drafting. The best advice I could give for women in trades is to remember that you're entering into your career with your title and not your gender. I am not a girl, I'm a cabinet maker and a woodworker. And just show that you're educated and just always be confident.